been a patient at Silver Screen Dental for over 20 years now. So a very long time. Dr. Booth, the one thing that has always stood out for me is how gentle he is with his patients, but it's not just him. I've been seeing Nora, his hygienist, probably almost as long, if not as long, as Dr. Booth. So, and she's just as gentle and professional as Dr. Booth is. So I always feel relaxed when I'm in the chair. If I had people looking or asking me for a referral for a dentist, which I actually do quite frequently from coworkers, I've sent lots of them to Dr. Booth just simply because I tell him that I trust him and how gentle he is, and that it's a thing of trust. So I've been to other dentists where I haven't felt that. So I don't ever have to worry about that with Dr. Booth.